Welcome to the Fitmust mobile application. To get started, create your account by selecting your clinic from the drop-down list. Enter your personal details like email ID and password, and enter the unique center password provided to you by Ashwa Vetek. After successful registration, scan and connect your Bluetooth device. This may take a couple of seconds. Tap the plus icon on the bottom right corner of your screen to add a new patient. To start assessing the patient, simply select the body part you want to assess, tap to start and tap to stop the test. 16 muscle groups have already been built in for your convenience, but you can also create your own test by simply typing the test name, tapping on the T icon on the top right corner, starting the test for left and right limbs, and that's it. Tap on the report button to automatically generate your report and share these reports via WhatsApp, email, or any other convenient source with your patients. You can also conveniently update your profile, and should you forget your password, just enter your registered email ID. Find the link in the email to reset your password. Securely enter your new password. And that's it.